Hello there, welcome to Joobilant. Have you ever spent a lot of time calculating totals for your CRM lists manually? What if there was a feature that could automatically calculate these totals for you in real time? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the List View Total feature in your CRM. First, log into Vtiger CRM. Go to Settings, then click on CRM Settings. Next, navigate to Other Settings and select Vtiger List View Total. Click on Add New to start setting up the List View Total configuration. Here I want to calculate the total amount of opportunities. So I selected Opportunities as the module, labeled the List View Total amount, and chose Amount as the field. Finally, click Save to complete the configuration setting. Now, let's check the List View Total in action. You will see the total amount displayed at the top of your list view, instantly giving you real-time data. But that's not all. The List View Total feature offers powerful filtering options, allowing you to customize your data display based on your preferences. For example, you can filter totals by date, status, or the user the data is assigned to. Here, I filtered the data by selecting a specific time period, setting the status to closed won, and choosing a specific user. This displays the total list view data for all closed won entries assigned to the selected user. To explore other data, I simply changed the status to closed lost, which instantly updated the view to show the total list of closed lost entries. And that's it. With the List View Total feature, you can easily calculate totals for numerical data without any manual effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Vtiger tips and tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below or contact us at hello@joobilant.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.